Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at some Ralph Lauren Polo Red. I really love this scent. Ralph Lauren, been a huge fan. This was sent to me by the company, just to be fair and transparent, but I've been using Ralph Lauren products for forever. I mean, all their perfumes from the original one on forever. So this is probably one of my favorites as well. I have a few different ones, but this is a really nice one. I like these sweeter fragrances myself personally. Everybody has their own like and their own thought on it, but this is my favorite. This is a spray atomizer. Basically, there's two types of colognes: the ones you splash on with the hand, or the ones you spray on. I particularly like the spray on personally. They do a better job in coverage. You can kind of put it where you want it, and actually it's just the way it lays on the body. I kind of really like that quite a bit. It is a glass bottle. It is super nice and super exotic. I love that. All the Ralph Lauren products are really kind of cool, and they have a whole line of different red products. But definitely the way to go. It comes in a glass bottle, very well made. You will not be disappointed in this fragrance whatsoever. Again, this is the 4.2 version. There are different sizes available, of course. So if you're looking for high quality fragrance, Polo Ralph Lauren Red, I think, is right up there with the top of the best. I love it. I absolutely love the scent. Really super cool and super seductive. Hey guys, this was awesome. Thanks for watching this quick review and have a great day.